Deliveroo is a food company. We work with riders and restaurants around the world to deliver food. We operate in 200 cities and 13 countries. Deliveroo is a really fast-growing company. So when it comes to design, what we really count on is to be very nimble and very fast. Deliveroo's design team is roughly 40 people, and a lot of them were siloed across different product groups. All of that made it very hard to stay in sync.
The way that we used to have to work was kind of like a custody agreement of like you would have the file in the morning if you're a product designer, and then the content designer would have it in the afternoon. We just don't work in that way anymore. We don't work in siloed.
We were lacking a lot in like collaboration with other disciplines. Once I jumped into Figma, I realized the power of collaboration it had.
When content designers and product designers were on the same design files, the magic started to happen. New ideas would flourish.
Because we collaborate with a lot of people who aren't designers, it's so lightweight that people aren't kind of intimidated by it. Figma just means we can really bridge that gap.
Figma's been great because you can now just comment straight beside the piece of UI or UX you're working on.
They really understand what it's like to work as a product designer day in and out. Features like smart selection, where it's very easy to put a list together and reorganize things. It's the little things. It became clear that we needed to really invest into design systems more. The way we have it set up in Figma is that we have one master library, so it's made it a lot easier to do changes at scale. It's a lot quicker to get from idea to finished product. The less tedious work you have to do, the happier the team is in the long run.